Restaurant-style pulao at home. 1 kilogram meat and boil it. Coriander seeds 5 tablespoons crushed. Cumin seeds 4 tablespoons. Fennel seeds 3 tablespoons. Star anise 2 to 3 tablespoons. Black pepper 20 to 24. Green cardamom 4 to 5. Mace powder 1/4 teaspoon. Nutmeg powder 1/4 teaspoon. Clove powder 1/2 teaspoon. Cinnamon stick 4 to 5. Bay leaf 3 to 4. And make half grounded powder. 2 and half tomatoes. 250-gram yogurt. 5 to 6 green chili and ginger garlic paste. Coriander leaves, mint leaves, tamarind water in leaf, dried plum aloo bakara. 2 tablespoons chili flakes. 3 tablespoons pulao masala. Salt according to taste. Soak basmati rice for ½ hour. Add oil. Now add tomatoes. And now green chilies, ginger garlic paste. When tomato gets soft, add yogurt. Now add boiled meat. Add 2 tablespoons of pulao masala and imli ka pani tamarind water. Add dried plum aloo bakara. Now add green chilies 5 to 6. Add coriander leaves and mint leaves. Now add yakni in which meat was boiled. Add some salt according to the rice. Now add rice. Now add 2 tablespoons chili flakes and 1 tablespoon pulao masala. Now give steam for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve with fried onion and enjoy it. Comment below you like it or not.